One of the things that we have going on is research in motion has been halted. We are on standby. They only halt the stock, new MMTs, because either they blow out the number or they miss it really bad or there's a big downside guidance or something. One thing that we must consider about RIM from a contrarian view is that RIM is short-term oversold, because it is, meaning that you could have a bad report, but RIM could pop up $2 or $3 because it would be a contrarian trade to where those earnings are going to be. We'll know here momentarily, but just remember, it's been sold down into oversold areas just like all the indexes are right now, and they're ripe for a pop. Let me put this on there. All right, everybody, research in motion, that preliminaries 133 versus 132. Capital IQ consensus estimates, okay? Rebs came in at 4.91 billion on research in motion versus 5.1 billion. So they're a little bit light there on the Reb. What I'm hearing now is that research in motion sees fiscal year 2012 of $5.25 to $6 versus the $6.24. That's light on that. The other number is 4.91 billion versus 5.14. That's light. Okay? And the estimate for fiscal 2012 is 5.25 by $6 versus 6.24. I'm sorry, that is light. Okay? And RIM is going to buy back 5% of their outstanding shares for now. The next thing we're going to do is wait for the stock to open up and see how the public will react to this earnings report. In our view, we could come down and get entries and make a pop for an entry and an exit with a profit. Short-term oversold RIM is. Let's see how the street, if the street is going to see here in a few minutes when it opens up, as if these things are priced in. That, in my view, it's a miss on the Rebs and forward-looking guidance. Here we go. Research in motion sees Q2 now of 75 cents to $1.05 versus $1.38. Okay, that's light. That is light. They're going to have a huge. So basically, this report is downside guidance, my friends. No matter how you want to shake and bake it, they're going to have a repurchase buyback program so they can try to save the day on their stock. And it's quite common. The stock will resume trading at 10 minutes to the hour. Okay? And I'm going to post this for the MMTs here as it is in earnings. And it's part of your training. So there's the full report. Basically, everything that I said there, the Revs of 4.2 to 4.8 billion versus 5.44, that means that forward-looking, it's really nothing but they're given out downside guidance and downside guidance. So you got your downside guidances in play, the preliminary beat buy number. We will resume this in another video when they start opening the trades. That is the actual fundamentals on RIM with an earnings miss.